This is the flot-free bird repellent spray. This is an all-natural way to help get rid of birds from around your house. We have a problem in our backyard with way too many birds, and they're using the bathroom and just droppings all over the place. It's very unsanitary and just dirty. So we were looking for a solution. We tried a couple of those owls, didn't have any luck, so we switched to this spray. This is an all-natural spray. It's 32 ounces, and it's been working really good. Here's the ingredients here. It's basically corn oil, peppermint, white pepper, garlic oil, clove oil, rosemary oil, thyme oil, sodium chloride, and some alcohol and soap. I believe the soap is just for the texture here so it sticks. You can see the color of it here. Kind of an interesting color, and it does have quite a scent. So when you spray this, it is going to smell, but it's not a bad smell. It's just like a different kind of smell. Nothing bad, nothing good. It's just, it's worth getting this spray to help get rid of the birds. Highly recommend picking this up if you have some birds in your garden or in your backyard. It definitely works good, and it is a natural way to reduce these birds.